Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to your science class. In the previous classes, we have discussed on germination, dispersal, and vegetative propagation of plants. In today's class, we will be discussing on agriculture. Children, we all know that plants are producers and living beings are consumers. So plants provide food directly or indirectly to human beings. Plants are grown on a large scale for food and other purposes. In agriculture, first, what is meant by agriculture? Agriculture is also known as farming. It is the practice of growing plants in a large quantity. Let's discuss on the various stages of agriculture. We start with plowing. In this plowing, the soil is first made loose with a plow. The loose soil allows air and water to pass through and helps the roots of crops to penetrate easily into the soil. Farmers produce food in the countryside fields. They plow the fields by using a tractor or plow. Bullocks are very useful for farmers in carrying out various agricultural operations. After plowing, then farmers sow the seeds. Sowing is defined as the process of planting the seed in soil to germinate and grow into a plant. Farmers germinate seed in a particular season. Farmers add manure to make the soil fertile. Manures and fertilizers are added to the soil to add nutrients that crops would need to give a good yield. Here in the irrigation, the farmers irrigate the crops. Irrigation is the process by which a sufficient quantity of water is supplied to the crop for their proper growth. Irrigation plays a major role in the growth of crop. Nowadays, a new technique has been used for irrigating the crops. Spraying pesticides. When the seeds sprout, farmers take care of the young plants. To protect the crop from pests, farmers use pesticides. Pesticides are added to control a variety of agricultural pests that can damage crops and reduce farm productivity. After a few months, when the crop is ripe, it is harvested. Farmers separate the seeds from the plants and store them. Some seeds are stored for planting in the next season. Harvesting is the process of cutting and collecting the mature crop.